welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Target face mask and lip kit, exfoliator, plumper kit. So as you can see, I have my crazy bun and I'm all ready to get this started. So I guess we can start with the Yes to Coconut Hydrating and Restoring Paper. Something shot at my eye. Paper mask. Okay, so how to use. Gently unfold mask and apply to clean skin. Adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth. Soothing curves. So it's wet. It feels kind of like a baby wipe. And this was only $3.99. So if this works and hydrates my skin that has been very dried out by the winter, I will be very happy. How the heck do I do this? Adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth. Soothing to fit your gorgeous face. Thank you. Okay. I think this is right. Okay, here we go. Looking good, looking good. Okay, okay. Does it go on my nose or around? Okay. Okay, I need to breathe. Yep. Alright. Oh, cute. Hi, guys. Okay, so it says to leave this. Okay, so it says to leave this thing on for 10 minutes. Feel it tingling, kind of burning me. I think that's okay. So it says close eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask and dispose tingling. Yes, it's working. Too much tingling, take it off. It's doable, so I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'll give you guys an update. Okay, so the 10 minutes are up and I'm going to just peel it off. Close eyes for 10 minutes, remove mask and dispose. So we're just going to remove the mask. So it feels wet. Actually feels pretty nice. Just kind of feels like, still feels like it's tingling. My face is a little bit red over here from it. So I'm hoping that goes away. Here's the mask when it comes off. There's really no dirt or anything because you're supposed to wash your face before putting it on. So I think this worked, but I'm going to now do the two-step lip kit, which hydrates, restores, and makes your lips plumper. Plumpier? Plumper. I think. We're going to do step one. Convenient. Step one. Kind of red. Okay, step one. Yes, to apply scrub in the small packet to dry lips and massage gently. Dry lips, new. Oh God. So this feels like it leaked. Oh, massage before opening. Okay. This feels like there's moisturizer on the outside. I don't even know. Okay, so we're going to. Oh God. So kind of looks like, I don't even know. Like, I put some on my finger. It's just like kind of a sugar scrub. I think it is. It's coconut sugar and sodium hyaluronate to plump and smooth lips naturally. So here we go. Okay, so I don't want to get this in my mouth. It's kind of tingling. It's all over. Okay, so I have a towel here. It says to wipe it off with a warm cloth. So I see, okay, I got it all over. I see dead skin on my lip, so maybe step two. Ooh, a paper mask. We know how I like these. So So I guess we will see if this helps the dead skin come off. Okay, and this one is apply for 15 minutes. No need to pucker. And if it's tingling, it's working. Okay, so here we are. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, it's tingling already. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay, so 15 minutes have passed and oh my gosh, my lips are still tingling. They feel really hydrated now. It's winter here, so my lips were very chapped, as you've probably seen in my previous videos. So these feel actually great, and I have the little mask. It survived the 15 minutes. It didn't rip or anything. It still actually has some of the stuff on it. Oh, it tingles again. Sorry. Okay, done. Okay, so I absolutely recommend both of these. The redness has gone away from the first coconut mask, so that one I love. I feel so moisturized. It feels really good. My skin was, again, very dry. The lips, I like how both of them tingle, and it smells like coconut. Smells great. They both tingle, so you know it's kind of working. That gives you that feeling. And you just have to take, well, you could have done these both at the same time. So really, you just have to take 15 minutes total, and you could do them both, or you could take 10 minutes and then another 15 minutes for the lips. Totally worth it if you are looking to get those chapped lips away or hydrate your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it wasn't too crazy, and see you soon. Bye, guys.